I Hasan sir going to explain chapter 3 coordinate geometry of exercise 3.2 NCERT. Let's start. The horizontal line is called the x-axis. The vertical line is called the y-axis. I have explained in previous video also. The coordinate axis divide the plane into 4 parts called quadrants. The distance of a point from the y-axis is called abscissa. The distance of a point from the x-axis is called ordinate. X, y, together it is coordinate, are called the coordinates of the point. Repeating, x, y in bracket are called the coordinates of the point. Question 1. Write the answers of each of the following questions. First part. What is the name of horizontal and the vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? Second part. What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? Third. Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Yes, answer 1. First part. Horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. Horizontal line is x-axis, vertical line is y-axis. Second part. Each part of the plane formed by these two lines is quadrants, as I have explained earlier also. Each part of the plane formed by these two lines, quadrants. Third point. The point where these two lines intersect is called origin. This also has been explained. The point where these two lines intersect is called origin. Here is vertical line, y-axis. Here is horizontal line, x-axis. Both the lines are intersecting at point O. This is origin. Question 2. Here is the figure. See figure and write the following. First part, the coordinates of point B. Second part, the coordinates of point C. Third part, the point identified by the coordinates -3, -5. Fourth part, the point identified by the coordinates 2, -4. Fifth part, the abscissa of the point D. Sixth part, the ordinate of the point H. Seventh part, the ordinates of the point L. Eighth part, the coordinates of the point M. And here is the figure. Yes. See figure and write the following. First, the coordinates of B is -5, 2. The coordinates of B is -5, 2. Second, the coordinates of C is 5, -5. Third point, the point identified by the coordinates -3, -5 is point E. Fourth part, the point identified by the coordinates 2, -4 is point G. Fifth part is the abscissa of point D is 6. The abscissa of point D is 6. Sixth part, the ordinate of point H is -3. The ordinate of point H is -3. Seventh, the coordinates of point L is bracket 0, 5 bracket closed. Seventh and last part, the coordinates of point M is in bracket -3, 0. -3 is abscissa, 0 is ordinate. -3 is abscissa, -5 is ordinate. -5 is abscissa, 2 is ordinate. Repeat with me. मेरे साथ साथ आप भी बोलिए. 5, -5. 5 is abscissa, -5 is ordinate. So please like, share and subscribe my videos and support me. Thanks for watching.